You open a spreadsheet to track something simple, a budget, a content plan, a hiring list. And within minutes, it turns into chaos. Columns don't match, formulas break, data sits in random tabs. And the worst part? Even after you build the sheet, the real work still happens somewhere else. That's exactly why AI spreadsheet tools are getting popular. Instead of manually building trackers, tables, and templates, you can just describe what you need, and AI generates the structure in seconds. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 spreadsheet generator tools, starting with one that creates tables and connects them directly to real workflows. First up is ClickUp. Most teams don't open a spreadsheet because they enjoy spreadsheets. They open one because they're trying to keep work from slipping. Tasks, owners, timelines, budgets, all scattered across tools. ClickUp starts from that reality. It's the world's first converged AI workspace, where spreadsheets aren't separate files. They're connected directly to the work itself. That connection begins with ClickUp Tasks. In ClickUp, tasks are the smallest unit of work. They carry real context, owners, due dates, priorities, dependencies, so when you view them in a spreadsheet, you're not looking at abstract rows, you're looking at live work. That's what ClickUp Table View does. It gives you a familiar spreadsheet-style layout, where each row is a task and each column is a custom field: status, effort, cost, timeline, or anything else your team needs. You can scan, edit, and bulk update information quickly without leaving the workflow. When teams need calculations, they don't export anything. Formula fields run directly in ClickUp, using task data to calculate metrics such as cost, duration, and progress. Where ClickUp truly pulls ahead is how AI fits into this flow. With ClickUp Brain, the world's most context-aware AI assistant, teams can interact with their tables in plain language. ClickUp Brain can summarize rows, clean up inconsistent entries, suggest or fix formulas, or answer questions based on the data and the surrounding work without switching tools. Everything, tasks, tables, formulas, dashboards, and AI, operates inside one connected system, designed to keep work moving as it changes. All right, moving on to a familiar tool for many teams, Gemini for Google Sheets. It's great when you want help inside a Google Sheet you already use. Gemini can help generate formulas, analyze trends, and summarize patterns using plain English prompts. It's especially useful for quick reporting, KPI tracking, or cleaning messy spreadsheets. There's only one concern. Gemini is a great fit only when you're already working inside Google Sheets. Next up is Microsoft Excel with Copilot, built for teams who live deep inside Excel. Copilot can generate formulas, summarize data sets, and even classify or transform data using natural language prompts. It's extremely useful when spreadsheets are heavy, for example, financial models, forecasting, and large data sets. But here's a catch. Microsoft itself warns that AI outputs shouldn't be treated as perfectly reliable for high-stakes accuracy. Now, if you want something more powerful than a spreadsheet, but still structured like one, Airtable AI is worth looking at. Airtable is like a spreadsheet mixed with a database, so it works great for content ops, CRM-style tracking, or structured workflows. With AI, you can generate field summaries, create content snippets, and automate structured text inside tables. But Airtable becomes powerful only after setup, and it's not as instant as spreadsheet-first tools. Closing out this list is Formulabot, a simple way to stop wrestling with spreadsheet formulas. You explain what you want in plain English, and it instantly turns that into a spreadsheet formula. It also breaks down how the formula works, so you're not just copying it, you actually understand what's happening. While Formulabot handles the formula logic, but the spreadsheet itself still lives somewhere else. There's no native spreadsheet environment or data layer inside the tool. So while it's great for generating formulas quickly, it won't manage your sheets end to end. So yes, AI spreadsheet generators can absolutely save time. But the real win is what happens after the sheet is created. Because when spreadsheets stay disconnected from work, they turn into dead trackers. ClickUp solves that by turning tables into workflows with tasks, owners, deadlines, and AI built directly into execution. Don't just generate spreadsheets faster, run the work from the same place. Sign up for free today at clickup.com.